Guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well as always. So today I'm going on to the point straight on. So I want to make homemade soap, the liquid soap that we usually know. Yeah, and I thought I should share this. I usually make it but off camera, but I thought maybe I should share this. There's someone who really wants to see how it's made and the results, yeah, before doing a purchase of the products. So here are the chemicals. Yeah, so they have been labeled with numbers. So whenever you're going to buy, tell them to label it for you, the first product to go, the second product to go, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so like the video, subscribe as we do this. So I'm doing this from outside because you know of the lighting, and I just want to do it from outside because of the chemicals. I'm doing it from the balcony. So for me, I have the 10 liters chemicals, and here I have 10 liters of water, and I'm going to use a cooking stick, a muiko, an old muiko. Yeah, so you have the label. So I'm going to begin with one is here. So in case you hear any noise, please forgive me because I'm outside. This is number one, the chemical number one. I guess there are how many? This one is number 3. This one is number 2, number 1. This is number 2. So I mix these two first. This one looks like salt, I guess. Looks like salt. So goes in. This. This something that looks like, you can say citric acid. The text is for citric acid. Yeah, so how do I keep it? Now it's this dark thing goes next. So I was saying this Kadak thing has a strong scent. inakupiga vile Harpic, I don't know, Harpic ama Jik, hiyo inakupiga magic, how strong it is. Hii inakupiga na hiyo scent, so a little bit strong. So and then there's this thing that is powder like glucose. My nails are weak, that's why I've never done them for a long time. It's in the weekend sana, so I can't even have that stuff. So ngoja recovery nirudi kusleep. So that powder goes next. This one looks like glucose, so what is remaining is the color and perfume. So someone once told me you're supposed to mix the mixture of the chemicals until they are fine. Usiharakishe kuweka maji. Mix the chemicals properly. Well. Yeah, so we mix this until it's well beaten before we add color and perfume. Yeah. So in a way my perfume and color mixed up, so I'm going to separate.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Guys, the reason why we mix this mixture of chemicals thoroughly before we add any water is to prevent having those spray stains. Those small like these ones. So you mix that up, you add maji kidogo tu kabisa. You mix, make sure it's well done, and then you add the rest of the water. So let's keep handling this. If you've not liked the video, please give me a like and subscribe. Add water.
We're reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it
going to cover this mixture overnight. So we'll come back and see tomorrow. Hey guys, this is the following day, hours and hours later, because I want to open and see what we made. Voila. There is our soup. Yeah, so here's our soup. It's very thick. Wanna give you a close up. So it is very thick. Very, very thick. See, it settled down, no crystals, and also there is no much foam that you saw earlier. That is why I set it to settle down for some hours before putting it on 2 hours.